Let's talk about the science of vascular dementia repair. This will be a data-driven case for reversing ischemic disease in the brain. There are no miracles or guarantees in healthcare. There's no looking for magic. We need to look at the data. So today we're going to look at trial results that are showing how we can regrow blood vessels in the human body and why that is very important as a potential breakthrough for treating neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and vascular dementia. Keep in mind, vascular dementia is a subset of Alzheimer's disease. There's a lot of confusion in those terms. We're going to explain how that works. My name is Karoom Lawrence, Chief Commercial Officer for Hemostemix, where we're working on angiogenic cell precursors to reverse ischemic disease in the body by restoring blood flow. So whether there are blood flow problems in your leg, your heart, or the frontal lobes in your brain, the result of ischemia everywhere is tissue death. And here's what our data is showing from our phase 2 trials in patients that are called no-option patients in critical limb-threatening ischemia. That's about diabetic foot in the leg, where our phase 2 study, N of 21, was showing a 99% wound reduction from 1.5 centimeters to about 0.5 millimeter by the third month, and where amputation risk dropped to 4.8% at the end of 12 months, right? Phase 2 study, underpowered, but directionally showing that the mechanism of action of angiogenic cell precursors restoring blood flow in the leg in the case of diabetic foot or critical limb-threatening ischemia. We've also seen improvements in ejection fraction in the heart in a series of phase 1 studies, which is showing that blood perfusion was improved up to 4% on average for patients in that study. Please go to hemostemix.com and look at that study. But overall, the data is we have 498 patients who were treated across various conditions. ACP01 is showing an ability to trigger angiogenesis. That's the mechanism of action. We're also looking at the safety of ACP01 across 298 patients who have participated in phase 1 and phase 2 studies. So we're not just trying to manage ischemia, we're trying to reverse it. We're trying to restore blood flow, and we're looking at data from over 20 years of research to potentially unlock the causes of the stepwise decline in vascular dementia. So our data proves that repair is possible, but timing is everything. To ensure you're notified of trials that may be coming on board, check out hemostemix.com, sign up for trial notification alerts. We'd love for you to sign up if you're interested. Check out the inclusion and exclusion criteria. Learn about how angiogenic cell precursors may support angiogenesis, which is the restoration of blood flow to tissue and areas of need in the body that has been impacted by ischemia, which is what occlusions are, where there's blockage of blood to tissues in the body. We're generally interested in helping the community, our physician community, our patient community, and all their families look for new options to reverse ischemic disease. We're excited to share this message. Please like or share this video so that other people can learn about what we're trying to accomplish here with ACP01. Thanks for tuning in.